Hello everyone, welcome again in Eng-Man YouTube channel. So in this video, we will continue our learning on network modeling using gap software. And in this specific video, I'm going to show you how to generate well IPR from Prosper for all wells. Okay, so now we are using the already generated and ready gap file, but still we can remake or we can regenerate the IPR for all wells. All right, so I think we need to go directly to the well. So you can, for example, double click on this well 1A, all right? Okay, so now we are inside the well 1A summary screen. Okay, one of the most important thing that we need to do is that we need to connect this gap with the Prosper file. For example, this well 1A, it's already valid because the model is ready, but we can still reconnect the gap with the Prosper. So to do that, click on this browse, and you can identify which well you want to connect it with. Okay, in this case, of course, I want to connect my gap with well 1A Prosper model. Okay, so this one, and click on open. All right, so now the gap is already connected with the Prosper. Okay, you can click on input and check everything. Okay, so now the gap is connected with the Prosper for well 1A. Click on OK, and you do that for all the wells, well 1A, well 2A, 3A, and so on and so forth. Right now, we want to generate the IPR for all wells, and the machine that will perform the IPR calculation is the Prosper. Okay, and to do that, we go to generate. All right, and here we can see that we can do or we can generate well IPRs with Prosper here. Generate well IPRs with Prosper. Click on that. And here we have the option all, select, all right, which well you want to work on. Okay, but I will go to all instead, right, rather than specifically selecting any well here. So I will click all. Okay, so now you have the possibility to generate the IPR all at once. Okay, but you can select if you want to generate it individually or you want to generate it at the same time. Okay, I select all the wells here, the 6 wells, and then you can just click on generate button here. So I will click on that. All right, so now the IPR have been generated. Okay, so I will click on OK and OK. If you want to check the plot, you can go to each of this well. For example, I will go to well 2B. All right, so we are inside the screen. Now we select here IPR, and very simple, you can just click on the plot. All right, so now we have the IPR generated from or generated by the Prosper for this well, and it is visualized in the gap. All right, so very simple. This is the network software. So you basically need the Prosper file for the well modeling, and then you can do the calculation via this software and visualize the result also in the software. Right, so I think that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video is useful. Thank you so much, and see you again in the next gap videos. Thank you.